Hey everybody, today's, what is today? Wednesday, January 23rd, and go over our Forex Trades for the day. Pretty quiet. It was pretty much quiet from our own choosing. We had economic numbers coming out this morning, so we didn't want to get involved. There were some important economic numbers. You know, low priority, medium priority, we get involved. But when it comes to high priority numbers, we like tend to stay on the sidelines. And the Bank of Canada was making their announcement on interest rates at 10 o'clock East Coast time this morning. So we stayed on the sidelines for that and entered the trade actually after it happened. We had a couple of signals prior to it, but again, we didn't want to be involved in the trade heading into a number like that. You know, just because you could get hammered. And we'll show you what I'm talking about on the U.S. dollar to Canadian. Not that we had a signal, but if you were, let's just say you had a short signal somewhere in here around 9:30, 9 o'clock, 8:30, whatever, and you were short and you were holding, and you were going to say, all right, well, I'll get out, you know, if it takes out these levels here, so I'm not risking all that much. And then boom, the number comes out, and you're not going to get out here. I got news for you. The liquidity is just not going to be there, so you know you probably won't get out until somewhere in the middle of this range. So that's the main reason why we don't play those things. But you'll see charts here that we didn't do any trades on. Like I said, we had a couple signals, but we just ignored them. But we did get a signal after the number came out, and not only their number but their statements. Their statements were saying that, you know, they didn't change interest rates, and they also felt that the need to raise rates was not as imminent as last thought. So that kind of threw the Forex market for a loop. We caught a signal to go short the euro dollar. As you see here, 1.33196. You know, with lasted down, we were looking at this area here of consolidation for possible support, but with that news, you know, we probably should have held in hindsight. But it was the only trade that we had, so we took it. We took the 8.3 pips off the table and ran. And as you see there, it just blasted down. If we were holding it, I'd be looking at this area of consolidation here for a little bit of a support area. It blasted through that, you know, and then you'd be looking anywhere between here and here, these two bottoms. And sure enough, it went to the low that you see here from a couple of days ago. Actually from yesterday afternoon, and bounced right off of it for the most part. You know, when you have news like that, you know, the moves can be pretty big. So in hindsight, like I said, we should have held. We could have made at least double what we made. But again, it was the first trade of the day, most likely our only trade of the day. So we took it off the table, especially after yesterday. So we took it and we moved on. And that's it. You know. If you're interested in coming on board or checking us out, check out our website, www.uniqueforex.com. You see there, that's what it's for. We do our daily Google Plus Hangouts every day, so you can watch us trade live, you can trade along with us. And that's it. I don't know what the economic numbers are for tomorrow. Let me look real quick. Let's see what we got for tomorrow morning. I'm sure we'll announce it again later on Twitter and Google Plus. But let's just take a peek. Tomorrow, it's 24th. We got initial jobless claims. We've got that's a low priority number. That's at 8:30. Just ahead of 9 o'clock, we got manufacturing PMI. That's medium priority. At 10 o'clock, we have CD leading indicators. That's medium priority. And really that's it until, well, there's numbers after that and actually before that, but we trade the U.S. markets. So there's a number, for example, from Japan. So that's I don't know, around 9:30 or so in the evening is Japanese National Consumer Price Index. That's a high priority level number. And also their monetary policy meeting minutes are coming out tonight. So a couple things to look out if you're trading this evening. So like I said, that's it. If you're trading, if you're still trading, good luck. You got the link to the algo. And that's it. So we'll be back tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.